You've seen the videos about drinking cloves in hot water every morning, but what happened when I tried it was shocking, and it might surprise you too. And it all started because of something ancient and something biblical. You see, cloves are so powerful that they were used in the ancient world as medicine and currency and offerings and even sacred rituals. Now, here's something most people don't know. Cloves aren't mentioned in the Bible directly, but in the scrolls found in the Dead Sea Scrolls, which were writings kept by the locals during biblical times, they're described as spices used for health and purification and preserving the body. They were so prized that ancient rabbis would say a good household always kept healing spices nearby. And there's a reason. This tiny spice holds compounds so potent, ancestors treated it like gold. So when my husband and we got our health scare, I went searching for every ancient remedy God can give us. And cloves, this tiny spice, kept popping up. I wasn't looking for a trend. I was looking for answers. Inflammation was high when we started this journey. Energy was slow. Stress definitely taken its toll. So I made a decision. And then just recently, I added cloves into my diet as a morning drink every morning for 7 mornings. And I was really shocked at what happened next. It's embarrassingly simple. You just take 4 to 7 whole cloves, pour hot water over them, not boiling, let them steep for 5 to 10 minutes, and then sip. So instead of boiling water, I heat it to just around 200 degrees, just off the boil. Now that's hot enough to draw out the clove oils and the flavor, but not so hot that it becomes bitter. You can usually do this by boiling your water and just letting it sit for about 20 to 30 seconds. And that way you get the warm, aromatic, and perfect as result for a gentle drink. Now, what it does to your body is anything but simple. Here are 7 reasons to add cloves to your lemon water. The compound eugenol is so strong that ancient healers used cloves to reduce swelling and soothe pain, especially infected tooth or gums in the mouth. Today, science confirms it. Cloves naturally lower inflammation. Benefit number 2, digestion and bloat relief. Cloves help to activate digestive enzymes. I felt it within days, a calmer belly, smoother digestion, less heaviness after meals. Number 3 is blood sugar and craving control. Cloves help your body to use carbohydrates more efficiently. So this translates into steadier energy and fewer sugar cravings. Number 4, it supports natural detox pathways. Your liver loves cloves. It stimulates the detox enzymes and supports cleansing. Number 5 is antimicrobial power. So in the ancient writings, cloves were used to preserve food or to purify spaces and support healing. Modern research aligns with this. Cloves fight harmful microbes and support a healthy gut. Number 6, antioxidant armor. The antioxidant levels in cloves are just sky high, even higher than blueberries. So this means protection from oxidative stress like aging and cellular damage. You're helping your body to prevent that. And number 7, mood, clarity, and energy boost. Now this one I love the best. By day 3, I felt clearer-minded. And by day 5, I felt sharper. Such a tiny spice, and yet such a big difference. The shocking results pay off. So here is what truly shocked me. I didn't expect to feel such a difference from something so simple. But my energy improved and my digestion felt better. My inflammation markers, even though I didn't test them with blood work, but I could tell I was doing a good job. And my morning routine felt more restorative than ever. When you combine cloves with lemon water, which I already do every day, that's when the magic really happens because the vitamin C from lemons boosts the antioxidant power with the cloves. And the combination wakes up your liver, your gut, and your energy. In scripture, God gave his people food, spices, and plants for healing, even if they weren't named directly. Cloves were treasured in ancient Judaism. They were traded across kingdoms and used for their power to restore the body. Sometimes the smallest things carry the biggest blessing. Try this for 7 days, just 7, and come back and tell me what you experience. And if you want to learn more biblical healing habits, make sure you're subscribed and make sure you do this with 3 or 4 of your other friends because we have powerful videos coming your way. Thanks for letting me share with you God's recipe for excellent health. And yes, it does include cloves, it does include lemons, but there's so much more. make sure you're subscribed below so we can stay connected. And welcome to the Biblical Nutritionist family. If you're wondering how you can learn more about the Bible diet and how you can learn just all of the different scriptures that talk about food, that would be the Treasures of Healthy Living Bible Study. You could do it by yourself, you could do it as a family, you could do it as a group in your church. We even have videos to go along with it, so you can just get so much rich teaching from Genesis to Revelation. What does the Bible say about healthy living? The other book that is my favorite is The 7 Foods of the Promised Land. I talk a lot about dates, but there are 7 foods that give such an exponential effect to your health, both physically and spiritually. And why did God choose those specific 7 foods? So I hope you check out 7 Foods of the Promised Land, and the recipes in the back, I promise you, will delight your palate.